Here's day 2 on what we were talking about, starting our video and just diving in. And I think I'm just going to recommend that to everybody. I'm Jennifer Restman and I'm with Voiyoo Marketing. But this is more of a in the life of, I guess. My plan is to, create a lot of videos and kind of test and see what direction to take that in. What is good content for your video, what's going to work to get followers and traction, and what do people want, right? So if you're creating content and you're not getting any people following it, what do you do to change that, and what are the tactics and that kind of thing? So this will be good for your business. But I also wanted to mention that I found my user's manual for the M50, which I talked about last time, and charged up my battery, which it comes with this little, you probably have seen them. This is this little case where you slide the battery in. You can't really see that. Some people put their hand behind there, but it doesn't really help. So you just slide that in there, real easy, and then you plug it into the wall with this one. Sometimes you have to plug it in with a regular cord. So that's charged up. I'll just show you how to put that in here, so I'll take it back off of my tripod. You know how I like that. See, excuse my box back there. I'm packing up some stuff to store because I don't have quite enough room in this office to put up stuff. Okay, so just on this one, it's the M50. You just open on the bottom here. We're going to have to get some, see, I'm learning. I need to get better lighting. So there we go. We open this here. Slides open, and then slide in the old battery. I'm sure a lot of you know how to do this kind of thing. And then remount it on the tripod. And then I did find the manual, so there are a few things that I could do now, like, just the simple things like set up the time, and there we go. Now this is just a cheap little tripod, just so I can have it set up at any time, and then I can sit at my desk, or I can raise it a little bit more maybe and stand, but it's probably not going to be high enough. I was also going to order some new lighting, so when I get that in, I'll show you that. I do have a clip light. Maybe I can even take it off so you can see that, which I always leave plugged in. It's just one of these. See, that's nicer, kind of. It's, I guess, just too far away. Maybe if I put it over here. So these are the, these might be some of the struggles you're going to go through. And the other struggles, hair. Look at this. During the real life, you can't really even see that. But you put me on video and it's like, oh dear Lord, what was I thinking? Now, instead of getting ready in front of a mirror, you get ready in front of a screen, so that you can see how you really look. Okay, so I'll put it closer, but I don't think I can get it to stay on, oh, maybe there we go. So maybe that's a little better. No, not really, it's really far away, according to, there we go. Maybe that's a little better. I have tons of light on, but you can't really even tell because there's so much light outside. So then here we go. All right, who wants to see this fussing? Okay, so I found my manual, and I'm going to try that again next week. So what I did today, I have a mastermind group that I belong to with a handful of ladies, and I love them to death. And they were kind of all in the same, heading in similar directions. We've been trained with the same group, and we are taking our careers, to kind of together. We learn from each other. We learn what other people are doing. We recommend things to each other. We tell each other what we like. We're all in a similar location in our business, and we're all kind of in a similar location in America, and I just can't stop fussing with it. Now there, that looks a little better. Did nothing. And I need to talk to you up here. Hello. So I did that today. We didn't get together last month, so we did a longer meeting today, and that's always a good time. And we have a group for that, so we do that in Facebook groups so that we can keep in touch throughout the month and recommend things to each other and share things with each other, and that's always awesome. So today I will be doing a lot of the similar things that I did yesterday. I'm finishing up the books that I started yesterday, and I will be working on social media engagement. And then tomorrow I'll be doing some blogging, and I'm doing this video. That's kind of all I have on my plate for today. That'll take me through probably until like 4. I'm gonna have some lunch. And now I think it's time to start making some plans for what to talk about in video. I am following some awesome people, and I'll leave some of that info in the info box at the bottom. And I know it's early, but maybe you want to subscribe. Do you want to like this video? It's kind of crappy. So if you want to like me, you can give me some points down there by liking. All right, you have an awesome day or an awesome evening, and we'll talk again soon. Bye-bye.